A hypnotherapist asked me a while back, if someone asks you about hypnotherapy and how it works, what should you say to them? And this is a good question. It might not come up that often, but if it does, here's the short, simple answer. The way you should explain hypnosis is with the least amount of words, the least technical advice, and talk about results instead. If you're trying to break down how the conscious mind works, the unconscious mind works, the hypnosis part, how it all works, any of that stuff, all you're going to do is confuse that person. You want to use the least amount of words to explain what it is, but draw their attention to what it does. You could simply, if someone said to me, Scott, how does hypnotherapy work? My first response to that would be, what would you want to use it for? And they say, I want to quit smoking. Then I can talk about the results of quitting smoking. I've got a reference point to attach hypnotherapy to. If I explain hypnotherapy, there's no reference point. There's no need for this person in front of me to understand it. But if I know what they want to use it for, I can then explain it by constantly bringing their attention back to the stop smoking or the anxiety or the fear thing, whatever it is. So that's what you need to do, guys. Someone asks you how it works, ask them what they want to use it for. If they say, well, I don't know, you can see where that conversation is going to go. If they say, I want to use it to lose weight, is it possible? Yes, you can, and then talk about results, okay? So always ask your potential clients what they want to use it for. Create that reference point, then you can talk about hypnotherapy or hypnosis in the least amount of words, but always talk about results, because really, guys, that's all your potential clients care about.